What we're doing a video inspection and demonstration of today is a Cat d4h LGP. It's a low ground pressure unit. The undercarriage on this thing's like brand new, from the sprockets to the pads, the rails, everything on it. I'm gonna show you the other side's a little cleaner, and I mean you can see the rails are brand new. It runs out perfect, drives perfect, transmission's great on it. It's got a 6-way blade. I mean the machine, she's got her work clothes on, it's not all painted up, but I'm telling you what, it is a sensational machine. Look at those tracks, those rails are new. We're very close to it. Look at the grousers on these pads. That bottom is just, you can see these still have the new paint on them. Just awesome machine, and it runs as good as it looks. It's got a 6-way blade on it with joystick control, power shift. It's a pretty low air machine. It's got 48, 47 on it. We're going to show you that everything works, and she purrs like a kitten. The bottom on that machine is probably cost a fortune.